In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money selling stocks on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over some of the requirements and some of the steps that you can consider so you can turn a profit when you buy and sell stocks on Cash App. So Cash App can be a useful tool for buying and selling stocks. However, it's very important for you to understand the process and the risks involved before you dive in. So here's a breakdown for you to consider. First, access the investing page. So open the latest version of Cash App and navigate to investing. In there, you will be able to see all of the stocks that you own and all of the stocks that you can acquire. Choose the stock that you want to purchase or sell. Now, to initiate the sell order, which is the focus of this video, all that you have to do is tap sell and choose the amount of stock that you want to sell. You will be able to either select a preset amount or enter a custom one. You will have to confirm the sale with your PIN, and you should be able to receive your funds in a matter of minutes or maybe some hours. Keep in mind that there is a minimum sale of $1 and you can choose to sell all of your shares of a particular stock or just a portion. It may take up to even 2 business days for the sale proceeds to be deposited, but as long as you do this process like I described, you should be able to see them earlier. Before you start selling, make sure that you educate yourself on the general investing principles and that you understand the stock market. Cash App offers a limited section of stocks compared to other brokers. So if you do want to turn a profit and turn this into a main income generating thing, it might be worthwhile to invest in other places rather than Cash App, because Cash App is very limited and it doesn't provide extensive research tools or analytics on stocks, but you can still manage some popular stocks using Cash App, and like I said, all that you have to do to actually sell and receive your funds is to go over to this specific stock page and choose the sell button as I've displayed on screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money selling stocks on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.